Sige, I'll start na. I visited this place here, na limited limited wings. I'm with AV and with Angeli and with Jam. Dito tayo sa what's the name? Sangyup.
Yung nag-voice over ka.
Waiting for our unlimited wings of $2.99.
May accent.
And we have this what you call this one? We have the side dishes. Oh, ano to? What do you call this one? Kimchi and carrot and rice. And what's that?
Fish cake.
Fish cake. Fish cake without icing. Fish cake without icing. Fish cake without icing.